Oh yeah, you saw that right. This is a robot mower with a trimming system. Before we get into it, just look at this setup. You've got the unit, the base station, and now this new trimming assembly. And this right here is what makes this the Pro version. Something I noticed right away, this trimming system is something you actually attach. So this isn't just a small upgrade, it's a whole new function being added. Now you have the trimming system with the brushes on the side. So right off the bat, you know that this unit is built for more than just a mow. And we're still rocking that dual blade setup. The A3000 is for homeowners with medium to large lawns, people who want their weekends back, or honestly anyone who just wants this handled for them. As usual, we're going to start this off by mapping the first area. After the mapping, it's now time to mow. Traditional mowing takes time, then trimming takes even more time. A lot of robotic units will cut the middle, but you still end up grabbing a handheld trimmer to clean the edges. And that's really the gap this Pro version is trying to solve. While that is mowing right now, I want to share with you a really stupid mistake that I made. I couldn't get the robot to dock. I tried in different locations, I was messing with the bumper, nothing was working. After messing with it for about 20 minutes, I was like, let me just call support. Perfect time to see how good the support is, right? Long story short, this was the problem. I never checked for the blue light on the station. Come to find out, there was no power going to the station, although I had everything plugged in. This box was tripped and there was no power coming from it. Once I reset the box, we got the blue light. Bingo bango, problem solved. So thank you, support. I did notice something. In some thicker areas, I had some clumping from excess grass. So I actually had to go back and pick some of that up. And that actually got me thinking, it would be pretty cool if something like this had a way to redistribute clippings automatically. That would take it to another level. Let's take a look at the obstacle avoidance on this unit. Pumpkin, safe. Sprayer, safe. Human, a little love tap, but safe. Just having some trouble with those roots, so I'm gonna make this a no-mow zone right here. Okay, remember, non-gamer here, so it is a little bit choppy, but I got that boundary set. The mow made the yard look 25% better. It cracked me up when it was time to go back to charge. It did not care about those stripes that it just laid. It went straight through the yard, over to the charger. Ladies and gentlemen, I bring you footage streaming directly from the robot mower. Mapping works so well because of the Holoscope 360, which honestly sounds like some kind of cool sci-fi spaceship, but really it just means this unit is constantly scanning your yard. There's a rotating sensor on top, another one in the front, plus an AI camera. The unit does really well detecting the edges. Here you can see in area 1, it's riding those edges really well. Mowing is pretty quiet. Trimming, not so quiet. It's a little bit louder with the trimmer on. True edge. Now this is where the Pro version stands out. It trims along walls, curves, and flower beds automatically. And the system actually knows where the grass stops and the hard surfaces begin. And you'll see where it missed some here, but it's not because of the unit. I think my mapping skills are off in this area, so I'm gonna have to do some adjustment. Area 1 is nice and tidy and looking good. I created a second area, so let's go play on that side. Everything runs through the app. Zones, schedules, height of cut, all of it. And once everything is set up, you really don't have to mess with it that much. It's struggling a little bit over here because the grass was so much taller. Since I've already tested the A3000, I can definitely tell you this feels like a Pro upgrade. The biggest difference, the trimming. That's what makes this feel finished. Area 2 is now done, and a path has been created to connect both areas 1 and 2. It's time to recharge. Let me tell you guys, this robot mowing game is not just about mowing anymore. It's about finishing. Mow, trim, done. Set it down, let it map, let it work. And enjoy a lawn that looks finished.